Hello friends, today I am going to demonstrate the common model of volcano which we have seen in the science exhibition. But today we will know how the volcano is exploding and how the chemicals are reacting with each other. Now let us see what are the chemicals we are going to need for this experiment. We will need baking soda and vinegar. Now let us know what are the acids that there in these chemicals. In there are the neutralizing acid for about 46.4% of sodium bicarbonate, 43.6% of citric acid and 10% of sodium bicarbonate. The baking soda is also known as the sodium bicarbonate and it is a base. Now lastly, the vinegar. The vinegar contains the diluted solution containing the acetic acid or the weak acid. Now get ready for a thrilling bubbling fizzy adventure. First, we will sprinkle in some baking soda to set the stage. Next, I will add a dash of to ramp up the excitement. And finally, we will pour the vinegar and watch the eruption unfold right before your eyes. But wait, what's the science behind this fizz-tastic show? When vinegar or acetic acid meets the baking soda or sodium bicarbonate, they engage in a fizzy dance, producing carbon dioxide gas. And this gas is the secret ingredient behind all the bubbling and fizzing, giving us our spectacular volcanic eruption. Thanks for watching the video. See you soon.